Hey guys, I'm on my laptop right now and I just wanted to make this message and video just to tell you guys that you can do it. All of the things that you want to do in your life, all the financial dreams, all the trips, all the investments, all the ways that you want to take care of your family, you can do it. And 2026 is the year for you to do it. If you plan accordingly and if you lock in, you can make generational change for yourself. And it all starts with understanding how you're being programmed. What are you watching? What are you exposing yourself to? And if you truly pay attention to this and you pay attention to your thoughts, you pay attention to how you talk to yourself, the sky is the limit. Talk to yourself in a positive way. Tell yourself that whatever it is that you want to do in life, you can do it and know what it is. Don't want something because someone else wants it. Want it because you want it. Do it because you want to do it. Take that chance because you want to take that chance. Start the business, scale the business because you want to scale the business, start the business. Don't let anyone stop you from that either. I've had moments in my life where I have doubted everything and I've been at all time lows before. But what kept me out of that, what got me out of that was knowing what I could do with myself and knowing what was possible for myself. When I was in my early 20s, I would be like, man, like I just want to get to this point. I just want to get to this point. And now I'm at a point where it's Christmas Day and I have amassed every single thing that I ever would have imagined in my life at 25. The family, the wealth, the investment portfolio, every single thing that I wanted when I was a kid, I have. And now it's just about playing with house money and 10xing it and 100xing it and so on and so forth. So I'm a testament of this can happen if you trust God, you trust yourself, you believe in yourself, and you make it happen. And don't let people tell you that you're not going to be able to do it. Don't let someone punching below you tell you that it's going to be too hard for you, that you shouldn't, and don't let anyone gaslight you into not accomplishing your dreams because you absolutely can. And man, this is the year. This is the year that you're going to take all of your knowledge, everything you know, everything that you are, and become everything that you want to be. Like write it down, plan it, and stick to it. And set goals for yourself that are not like, set goals for yourself that you can accomplish within a realistic timeline. And what I mean by that is this, like, I'm a big believer that anyone can accomplish anything no matter what. But you have to accomplish things and you have to set goals for yourself that deep in your mind, you know that you'll be able to actually do. Like not goals that sound good. So set goals for yourself that like, okay, I'm actually going to be able to accomplish this goal. I'll actually be able to do this. And one that's not, you need to set goals for yourself that are scary, but not to you in your mind. Like, how am I going to do that? Right. I set goals for myself that are really scary, but I don't sit here and tell myself like, all right, I want to make $1 billion next year, because I know that that's probably not going to happen for another 25 years. And I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that because it has a lot to do with skill, has a lot to do with commitment level, has a lot to do with what vehicle I'm in and so on and so forth. And so that's fine. So set goals for yourself that make sense for you that you can actually accomplish. Stay away from the distractions. Stay away from the things that are not going to feed your brain positively. Stay away from the things that are negative and pay attention to it. When you listen to music, what is the music actually saying? All the music I try to listen to is positive music for the most part. The music that I listen to is talking about wealth, talking about building, talking about growing, talking about driving nice cars, talking about living in nice places. And that's what I choose to listen to. And if you understand that, like, I want you to understand too that like you can quite literally create the life that you want to create, and you just have to visualize what that looks like, put it on paper, and get to it. That's it. There's nothing that is not available for you in this world, and the most powerful things, the best, like literally the best of the world, the top 1% of 1% is for you. If you have intentional action, there was nothing on this world that was not created for you. God created everything equal. God created the finer things in life for you if you choose to go and get them. God created the business that you want for you if you choose to go and get it. And so you must have the identity of the person that chooses to go get it every time and believes in themselves. And no matter what, you're going to make it happen. No matter what, you're going to make it happen. You're going to seek the knowledge that it takes to go make it happen. And you're going to make your dreams come true. 2026 is the year that you can make your dreams come true and set the precedent for the next decade of your life. I want you to really lock in when I say this. You can set the precedent for the next 10 years of your life and set the tone for the generations of your family to come for the next 50 years if you lock in 2026. If you simply just do that. And so I'm recording this message today because I'm doing some work right now and it's just heavy on my mind that, like, when I look up and I look around, I'm like, man, everything that I have, everything that I've done, everything that I've accomplished, everything that I've helped other people accomplish is because I simply just believed in myself. I was a kid with a dream. I was a kid with a dream. I was a guy that would sit and just like sit by himself and just visualize what I wanted for myself. And it's all come true. And I'm going to continue to go and get it. And I want the same thing for you. So just understand that everything you want is possible. You can make it happen. You're going to make it happen. And let's absolutely crush 2026.